When someone comes up to you and asks, "What do you do?" how do you answer? Do you ever stumble over your words and walk away with the feeling that you just lost a great opportunity? Whether you're in sales or own your own business, you need your ideal prospects to listen to you. That's why the most successful business people make sure their elevator speech is clear, concise, and persuasive. The ability to vocalize who you are, what you do, who you do it for, and why you're the best choice in only 30 seconds is a game changer. My name is Betsy Kent, and I teach people like you an easy technique that results in an elevator speech that feels wholly authentic and makes the right people listen. And that's the key to explosive sales. If you're ready to make your first impression a customer winning impression, grab a seat at my next elevator speech workshop. This fun and transformational experience will turn you into the most persuasive person in the room.